Hi everyone, it's Kino here. I'm in beautiful sunny Scandinavia in Norway, and I just want to welcome you to this morning yoga session. Let's get started. Come to a comfortable seated position. Close your eyes. Bring your hands together. A nice long deep inhale. And as you exhale, rest your hands down to any comfortable position. Be aware of the quality of your breath. Notice your breath as it moves in and out. Notice the feeling in the body. Bring the attention to the quality of your emotions, your mind and your emotions, establishing a beginning point of mindfulness. And then allow yourself a long, deep breath in. And as you exhale, let's softly open the eyes. And we're ready to begin. Inhale, long, deep breath in. Exhale, easy twist over to the right. Just begin warming up the spine with a nice, gentle spinal twist. Keeping it nice and easy. Stay for a few breaths. And inhale, come on back into the center. Long, deep breath in, and we'll try the other side. Exhale, easy, move on over to the other side. Keeping the breath nice and steady. Feel your breath, your body, and your mind all coming into unity. And inhale, come on back into the center, just easy, shake that out. Let's give the neck just a little bit of release. Inhale, and then as you exhale, drop your head over to the left, taking the right hand towards the ground. You can add in a very gentle stretch using the left hand for a little bit of extra weight, just rolling a little forward and back. Nice and easy. And back to the center. Shake that out. Now let's try the other side. Exhale as you bring your head over to the right. And you can add a little bit of weight down in there. And then dropping the left hand down. Moving head a little forward, head a little back. Keep it nice and easy. Steady breathing. Almost there. And release. So shake it gently out. Then let's come over to your hands and knees. I'm going to put my hair up now too. As you come over onto your hands and knees, let's just kind of roll your weight from side to side so you can kind of feel your weight being pressed into the hands. And then after you get comfortable there, let's roll through a nice easy cat and cow. Inhale, extend the spine, take a moment, feel your breath in your body. Exhale, round the back, let's tuck it under. Inhale, extend, long, deep breath in. Exhale, round and tuck it under. Inhale, extend, long, deep breath in. Exhale, round, tuck it under. Back to neutral. Let's curl your toes under. And inhale, send the hips back and up to downward facing dog. 5 deep breaths in downward dog. 1. Nice and easy. If you need to bend the knees a little bit, if that feels better for you, feel welcome to do that. And then just try to straighten the legs as much as you can. 2. Nice and easy, drawing the navel more and more in. 3. Stay with your breath. 4. Take a moment and just appreciate the beauty of this moment. And 5. Let's walk your feet about half the distance in. Soft bend in the knees. Layer your arms over each other and let's hang the forward fold. Inhale as you send the hips back and up and just sway gently from side to side. Coax your body and mind into a nice deep state of relaxation. Get your day started off right. Let all the worries and tension just melt away from the body. And allow that good vibration of healing, of peace, and of harmony to just circulate around each cell, each muscle, each joint. And then dangle your arms down. Good. Bend the knees. Hold on to your big toes. Inhale it. Straighten the arms and legs. Exhale. Fold. Stay here for a few breaths and just soften the neck. Nice and easy. Drawing the navel a little bit in. Long, deep breath in. Long, deep breath out. We'll stay for one more breath. And then inhale, let's lift the head up. Exhale, let's take your hands down. Let's step it on back to plank pose. And how about we hold plank for 5 breaths? 1, draw the navel in, enjoy it. 2, squeeze your glutes a little bit. Let's get it fired up. 3, nice and easy. 4, almost there. 5, let's sink the knees down. Exhale, chaturanga. Come on all the way down. Let's point the feet. Come on up to cobra pose. Long, deep breath in. Lift the spine, and we'll stay for 5 breaths. How you feeling? I hope your day is going to be off to a beautiful, peaceful, harmonious start as you feel health returning to the body, peace coming into the mind. Long, deep breath in, long, deep breath out. We're almost there. Good, relax. Walk your hands back. Come back to your tabletop position. Walk the knees a little bit forward. Cross the feet. And exhale, straighten the legs. Draw the right knee a little bit up into the chest. Cross it over. A nice, easy spinal twist. Hug that knee into your chest. And inhale, lift the spine. Gaze over the right shoulder. Hold for 5. 1, you could close your eyes or gaze gently to the right. Let a soft smile seem to come from your heart and fill your whole body. Steady breathing. Breath moves in and out. Strengthen the left leg and draw the navel in and feel this twist through the spinal axis. Very good. Inhale, back to the center. Give yourself a little squeeze. Exhale, straight legs, straight arms. Pause for a moment. Inhale, long, deep breath in as the left leg raises up. Cross it over, lining up the foot with the outer edge of the right knee. Draw the navel in, hugging the left knee with the right arm. Stabilize your right leg. Left fingertips reach behind you. Inhale, lift the spine up out of the pelvis and spiral through a deep and easy spinal twist. Feel energy rising up from the pelvis, moving through each joint of the spine, rising up to the top of the head. Feel your energy returning to your body. Keep it nice and easy. Feel yourself in harmony with the cycles of the earth, in harmony with the rhythms of nature. Long, steady breaths, moving in and out. Inhale, gently come back to the center. Exhale, staff position, Dandasana. 5 breaths here. Point your fingertips towards the ground and lift the chest up. And flatten the palms as much as possible. Long, steady, deep breaths. Almost there. Keep lifting the spine up. Then pivoting forward from the hip joints, a nice forward fold. Holding onto your big toes or holding onto the shins. Keeping the spine kind of as one unit from the top of the head to the pubic bone. Inhale, long, deep breath in. Exhale, pivot forward. Keeping the navel in until you reach a point where the pivot stops. And then allow your spine to relax as you bend forward. And you could change your grip to the toes if that's more comfortable. Relax the head down and close the eyes. 5 breaths. 1. Long, deep breath in. Long, deep breath out. 2. Almost there. 3. Relax the spine. Turn your attention inward so you can really feel yourself coming back to yourself, where all is well. 4. Almost there. Steady breathing. 5. Inhale. Let's lift the head up. Exhale there for a moment. Walk your hands back behind you. Bend the knees a little bit, and we're going to go for reverse a tabletop position. So squeeze the knees a little together, rotate the shoulder joints forward, and then nice and easy, inhale, send the hips up and forward and the head back. Hold it for 5. 1, relax the mind. 2, we're almost there. 3, 4, and 5. Exhale, let's sink it down. Now, easy, cross your feet. Bringing your heels a little bit close together. We're gonna open the feet now, Baddha Konasana. So you wanna bring the heels kind of close together and draw that in towards the pubic bone. Send the chest gently up, couple of breaths. Long, deep breath in, long, deep breath out. Gently allow yourself to pivot a little bit forward so you can feel your chest leading you forward. You could close the eyes or gaze towards the tip of the nose, whatever is more comfortable for you right now. Let's stay for a few deep breaths. Nice and easy as you lean more and more forward, more and more forward, more and more forward. Enjoy your breath. Enjoy the feeling in the hips and the back as everything releases. And inhale, gently come all the way up. Now, cross the feet again. Turn the palms open, tips of the index fingers together. Deep, steady breathing. Long, deep breath in. Long, deep breath out. Keep the mind in a quiet, introspective state. Feeling again your breath, your body, and the quality of your mind and your emotions. Notice the shift. And as you're here in the quiet space of practice, plant the seeds of gratitude. Think of one thing in your life that you're grateful for right now. Perhaps this space to practice together. Perhaps the feeling in your body after a deep yoga practice. Perhaps the love that's in your life. And now think of one thing that you're thankful for about yourself. One thing that you can thank yourself for. Maybe making time for this practice. And now, to the whole world, from your heart center, feel the vibration of gratitude emanating forth from you. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Hands in prayer position. Long, deep breath in. Softly as you exhale, open the eyes. Thank you so much for joining me on this practice. May you be happy, may you be peaceful, may you be filled with love.